Welcome everyone. So I haven't posted for a long time, sorry about that. We have today to repair an ignition switch. It's for a Ford Fiesta. Ignition was stuck. I use a hammer on the car. I punch it a little bit and finally I was able to twist on the first position and I removed the ignition from the car. It's a bit complicated to remove this ignition from the car because you need to twist on the first position like it's now, first position, and then you have two locks to release. I will show you also on the car. So first of all you have to press this button here, and then you have a small hole on the ignition and you have to press this one as well, so both in the same time, and then you can pull out the ignition barrel. Okay, let's strip it now. Let's see what's inside. Let's remove the blade. We need to remove the white plastic. Make sure you're gonna hold tight because it's there is a spring here. Okay, it's all good now. Come on. Okay, all good. Customer put WD-40 inside, which is not gonna help that. Let's put the blade in. So look, if you put the blade in, looks like none of the wafers are aligned, so that's a big problem. What we're gonna do now, I'm gonna clean the barrel. You will use some brake cleaner spray to clean this, and then we're gonna remove all the wafers one by one. Okay, I cleaned the barrel and let's start replacing the wafers. I already removed the first one. Check also the springs. As you see, this one, I'm not sure if I can focus on it. Come on. So this spring is so bent, so you need to replace also the spring. Okay. Okay, the springs looks okay. this holder and this one. Okay guys, so put some grease on it. It's all aligned. It should perfectly work. Let's put all the parts back. Okay, looks okay. Perfect. Now it's twisting. It's all good. I also cut a new blade. Old one is so worn, and it's right here. It should also work. No, this one is not working at all. Perfect. Okay, so let's put the holder back. Well done. Okay, let's go on the car, let's fit it back, and I will also show you on the car how to remove it step by step. Here's the ignition. It has to be on the first position to put it back. Make sure you can press this holder and this one all the way in. Okay, and here we have to put the ignition. That's all good. As you see, we can twist now the ignition. Ignition on as well, and I will show you how to remove it. So first of all, if the ignition is stuck, you need to try to use a hammer and try to bang it a little bit and move the key in the same time, as long as you can move on the first position. So you have one pin here that you need to press it, and one more here on this hole. So you need to press both, or either one by one, and pull the ignition out. Okay, as you see now, the ignition goes out. Now you just need to force a little bit. Just use a screwdriver on this side and try to force a little bit, and the ignition is going to come out. Yeah, just like this. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to share and subscribe. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can also leave me a comment. I'll try to answer as quick as I can. Thank you so much, guys, and have a nice day.